Here's how to convert WebM to MKV. The most efficient file converter I know of is this one for desktop called ConvertSave. All you have to do is drag and drop your files in. Could be images, video, audio, doesn't matter. And then you select your output. We're going to MKV video in this case, and we hit convert, and it saves right next to wherever your files came from. The reason this thing is so simple, quick, and efficient is because I made it, and I want it to be as fast as possible. So my brother is a software developer. I went to him and was like, I want something that isn't going to random Google websites and trying to find somewhere where I can upload my files, convert a couple, download them. It just takes me too long. Can we create an app for desktop? I want it to work on Mac and Windows. It does. And I want it to be able to convert all your files offline. It also does. And it does image, video, and audio. So this is a video conversion. We did WebM to MKV. And we can actually see the default commands that are being used in the tools that are being used right here. It'll change for images, it'll change if you're going to PDF, all that kind of stuff. And the default options are also dependent on what you're going from and to. So your input files and your output files. And you can actually add custom commands for you to do even more. You're not just encoding video. If you want to also change the resolution, change the frame rate, you can do that by adding your own custom preset commands that replace the default options that we have in here. And so then you go to Options Builder and you can actually build your own commands if you don't even know what any of these mean, but you might know what quality means, right? So you can add in quality, or you might know what resolution is, right? The size of your video, or maybe the frame rate as well. And so there's different things you can add on images. You can do cropping, resizing. You can add different image effects too. You want black and white, there's a tab for that where you can just tab that and then maybe up the contrast. You can add that to your conversion. There's different things like that that you can also add, which is awesome. It's beyond just converting one file to another. That's ConvertSave. You can find it at convertsave.com, or I'll leave a link in the description down below or the pinned comment. I appreciate your guys' support. Let me know if you check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.